Time for another index fund NFO, and it is from HDFC. It is HDFC Nifty 50 Equal Weight Index Fund. So this is another index fund which is with HDFC, but it's a unique concept. So let me share about what is that unique concept this index fund is having. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Thuru, your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. And today I'm just going to talk about this one index fund, which NFO, which is going to come up from HDFC, and it is HDFC Nifty 50 Equal Weight Index Fund. I told it correctly. So this is one fund where the equal weightage will be given among all the Nifty 50 participants, meaning all the stocks. Let's go and check out the what are the stocks which is available in this, and you will see bigger clarity among should you invest in this stock or not. The first and foremost is the NFO period is from 4th August to 13th August. So this is equally driven to deliver. What are they mentioning? Because in Nifty 50 there are 50 stocks. Are they going to invest equally in all the stocks? What is the weightage given for each stocks? That is a difference between this index and any Nifty 50 index fund. So equal weight is given to the all the stocks among the Nifty 50 stocks. See, this is a major difference. All the constituents forming part of the Nifty 50 shall be part of this index. And index is rebalanced quarterly. Generally, they may do it semi-annual. They are doing it quarterly because the weightage may increase or decrease based on that they are going to take a decision. And this is the most important aspect you should understand. If you look at the top 5 stocks in Nifty 50 index, Reliance Industries occupy almost 10% weightage in Nifty 50, whereas ICICI Bank enjoys just 6.4 percentage the weightage in Nifty 50 index calculation. So if you look among Nifty 50 equal weightage, this is the index we are looking at, the second column, right? So if you look at this one, if you look at this one, the 2%, the Reliance Industries is going to get only 2% weightage. ICICI Bank is also going to get 2% weightage. What is the advantage if you look going to do this? Because this top 5 stocks alone forms 41 percentage weightage if you are looking at Nifty 50 index fund. But if you are looking at equal weightage, these top 5 stocks will enjoy only 10%. And just look at the top bottom 5 stocks. Hero Motors 0.6%, Indian Oil Corporation 0.4%. And suppose if there is a huge growth in Indian Oil Corporation or Coal India in the last next 2 months or quarter, this will not be captured because the weightage is low. Whereas in Nifty 50 equal weightage, it also gets 2%. So if you look at the 10% goes for bottom 5 stocks also. So this is the biggest advantage of investing in Nifty 50 equal weight index. And if you look at the returns of Nifty 50 was this equal weight, 2% difference is there. So this is the advantage of investing in this fund. So if you are somebody who has not invested in index fund, time to look into this and just look at the number of financial years 21 they considered, and positive returns is 15 in case of equal weightage, and 14 there is no bigger difference. But if you look at the average returns, 21.6% and 17.74%, which is a huge difference, and outperformance over others is 13 with respect to Nifty 50 equal weightage, and whereas Nifty 50 is 8. So there is a from 2000 they had managed, they had checked this, they had checked out this data. This is what they got, and the calculations is given for from March 2001 to this financial year they had computed. Just look at any point of overperformance, this Nifty 50 has performed better compared to the even at the time of March 12, whereas Nifty 50 has lost minus 4%, whereas equal weight has lost minus 4%, whereas Nifty 50 has lost just minus 8%. So this is the objective. They are going to invest in equal weightage among the Nifty 50 index fund. And if you look at, they have the large experience, that is what they are saying. And as usual, the minimum investment is 5,000 rupees and any amount thereafter. And SIP you can do as usual, and additional purchase 1,000 rupees extra. And entry load is not applicable, exit load is nil. That is the advantage of investing in this index fund. So this is all with respect to Nifty 50 equal weight index fund, HDFC Nifty 50 equal weight index fund. So if you are somebody who has not invested in this index fund, go for it, because this looks a lot better compared to many other index fund. And the expense ratio of the fund is around 1%. So as of now, they're starting with 1%. They may decrease because any index fund will have maximum limit of 1%. And if you look at who can invest in this fund, people who has not invested in index fund and who wants to, without, who are beginners in stock market, but beginners in equal equity fund, basically equity fund, they are going to invest in stock market, right? And also people who have a timeline of more than 3 to 5 years, they are the people who should invest in this fund. If you are just 1 or 2 years, please avoid, because don't expect big bang returns for the next 1 or 2 years. You will see bigger growth prospect in the long run. So anybody who is having a long term of 3 plus years or 5 plus years, go for it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends who has not invested in mutual funds, so that they will also know whether am I doing a right thing. This fund can help you with that. Thank you so much for watching.